Alright guys, so as you can see in the title, I did buy a new motorcycle, new to me. This was about a couple weeks ago. I took my motorcycle course and got my motorcycle license. This is a 1980 Honda CB650. It's probably got around 70 horsepower right now with the pod air filters and the 4-into-1 header. And I just adjusted the valves. It runs better. It's got brand new coils with NGK boots on them. It's got a header wrap, no front fender. It's basically a cafe racer. It's got the stock blinkers on the back, and it's got the small ones in the front and a set of gauges. That mileage is not right. It's got about 27,000. And yeah, overall it's a pretty mint bike. It's got a little corrosion up there because of the front brake reservoir. The shocks are new. The thing is super light. It weighs a little under 400 pounds. And just to let you know, the clutch does not like that amount of horsepower, because if you look at the 650 clutch versus the 1000 clutch, the 1000 clutch is a lot bigger. But the pod air filters are really good, and I've got a gel cell battery in there. You can see it's yellow. That's a really nice battery. And I keep the chain loose for reasons, but it does great with a rider on it, and it's just got a tiny little oil leak. You can see it leaks that, and then the drips on the ground every night. So not much of an oil leak. And yeah, thing's generally pretty mint. It's got a spray painted gas tank. All the lights work and everything. The key switch is a little bit weird. But let me see if I can go ahead and start it up. Give it a little bit to warm up. It has a tiny little misfire because the idle mixture screws are a little bit hard to adjust. So I just cleaned them out and readjusted them, and I don't really feel like changing it. It's not a huge deal.